Hello guys, my name is Euclides Manuel and I'm the founder of Yetubit. In this video, I'll teach you on how to connect Metamask with Binance Smart Chain. You must connect Metamask with Binance Smart Chain to participate on the Yetucoin ICO. If you are using Trust Wallet, you don't need to connect with Binance Smart Chain because it's already connected by default. But if you are using Metamask, you must firstly connect Metamask with Binance Smart Chain. So to connect is really simple. We will leave this article in the description. This article on Yetuswap's blog that teaches how to connect MetaMask Binance Smart Chain step by step, because to connect it, there is some data that we will use, and it's really simple and fast. Once you are on your MetaMask wallet, you click here to see your account. You only have one account right now, and then you go to settings. Once you're in settings, you click on networks. It's really simple. You click on the networks, and then you click on add network, because we will add a new network on MetaMask, that is Binance Smart Chain. Once you click on add network, then you click on the link that is on the description below, where we teach on our blog on how to connect MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. And we will start copying this data. The network name is Smart Chain. We took this data on the Binance blog, on the Binance website actually. You click, you put the network name is Smart Chain. Actually, on the RPC, we will put the address of Binance, that is Binance Smart Chain, dataseed.binance.org. The chain ID of Binance Smart Chain is 56. So you put 56. The currency symbol is BNB, actually, even though it will have the Ethereum logo. The currency symbol is BNB, and the block explorer is this one, the BSC scan. This is where you will see all the transactions that you will make with Yetucoin or another Binance Smart Chain standard token. So once you made it, you click in save. You click in save, and then it's already connected with the Binance Smart Chain. As you can see, we already connected our MetaMask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain. The next step is to put Yetucoin token here on MetaMask. To do this, you click in Add Token, and then Custom Token, and here we will put the token address. The Yetucoin token address we will copy on the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. So let's go the Binance Smart Chain Explorer to see their blockchain, and we will search for Yetucoin. Yetucoin, here is Yetucoin. Once we click on Yetucoin, here, of course, is the place that you will come to search all the transactions that you will make with Yetucoin. And once you are here, you click here to copy the contract address of Yetucoin. You copy, and you go to MetaMask, and you put here. Once you put the contract address here, MetaMask will already recognize all the data. It will put Yetu automatically, and the decimal of precision of Yetucoin, that is 18, automatically. And then you click and next, add token, and the Yetucoin is already connected with MetaMask wallet. This is the step-by-step to do this. The step-by-step, as you can see, it's really simple to connect MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain, and then to put Yetucoin here on your MetaMask. On the next video, we will teach you how to buy Yetucoin during the ICO, the step-by-step. You will exchange Bitcoin to BNB inside of the Binance exchange, and then we will send BNB to MetaMask, and we will buy Yetucoin during the ICO. And to say that in the moment that I'm making this video, we are on the pre-ICO. It means that the Yetucoin right now is $0.04. The rate right now, it's really cheap for the early investors. So see you on the next video when we will teach you on how to buy Yetucoin during the ICO. See you there.